Have you ever noticed how many new tools for plumbers and electricians flop right out of the gate? What's actually causing those launch failures? Is the market just brutal, or are inventors missing a few make or break details? If you're trying to create a truly game-changing tool, you can't ignore what separates something pros use every day from something that ends up collecting dust. The reality is, trade tools live in a totally different world than weekend DIY tools. A consumer wrench might get used once a month. A plumber's tool gets abused every single day. It's under pressure, in tight spaces, around water and grit, and pushed in ways most people never see. Here's where a lot of launches go off the rails. The materials aren't actually job site tough. Real tradespeople never get hands on the prototype before it ships. It ends up in the wrong stores, or marketed to the wrong buyer. Nobody double checks fit with plumbing or electrical codes.
And the warranty is written like it's for a toaster, not a tool that's expected to take years of hard use. Those aren't minor mistakes. That's how products get shredded in reviews and never earn trust with the people who matter. Pros care about the stuff you only learn in the field, how it feels after hours on the job, whether it survives a drop on concrete, and whether it can be repaired when something finally gives. Getting this right isn't guesswork. Rabbit Product Design has 9 years of experience, more than 2,000 developed products, and engineers who understand what it takes to build a tool that actually belongs in a pro's kit. Their 4-phase process starts with how the tool will really be used. Then it locks in materials and design choices that match pro demands. Then it gets tested with real tradespeople in real environments. And it plans the launch around the channels where pros actually shop and where they talk to each other. Because if you skip those steps, your product might look great in photos, but fail fast in the field. And word spreads quickly in the trades. If I were in your shoes, I wouldn't bet months of work on assumptions that only hold up for consumer gadgets. Get the right team, use a real process, and find the deal breakers before launch. Click the link below to learn more. And if you want more content like this, subscribe, like, and ring the bell.